खम्मा कैसे हो आप सब? So welcome back to another vlog, and as promised now we are shooting another vlog. So we are taking you guys to first Shoreditch Market, the Tower Bridge and the Camden Market. So we'll have you guys visit all these beautiful places that we are going right now. So stay tuned and let me know like how do you guys feel in the end in the comment section. Do you like the London or not? And what are the things that you like the best? What are the differences that you can see over here? So stay tuned. And in the Shoreditch Market, first we'll go there, see around the shops, and we have some personal boxes also there over there. So we'll just try to do that, and meanwhile, at the same time, I'll try to shoot the vlog also. So stay tuned with us and be with us. And also the subscribe bell button is there, so just press and click it. And thank you so much for all the love you guys are showing to all the other vlogs. So stay tuned and enjoy the time that's till now to the market. See you guys in the Camden Market. Sorry, Shoreditch Market. Hi guys, so I want to tell you about this app called City Mapper, which which I usually use to see which route buses I have to take from one location to another. So it's really easy to use, and you guys can always use this. So what you have to do is just turn on your location, like your current location, and then put the postcode of the location that you want to go. Then there are multiple options of the buses and the trains that you can choose anytime. It shows the prices and the exact time about like when the bus or the train is about to leave. So that's really easy for the people who are coming to UK for the first time, as it works all over the UK. So I hope this app will be really useful for you guys. So just download the City Mapper app. Hi, so we are at the Shoreditch Market, and as you have seen in the clips, that's a small part of the Shoreditch Market, that is the box part. I don't know if you guys can hear you because I don't have a mic, so I'll try to speak loudly. So this market is open all the week and the weekends. On the weekdays the timing is from 10 to 5 or 7 p.m. and on the weekends it's a little early, that is from 10 to 4 or 3 p.m. So you guys can come anytime in this market and have fun. There are bars, shops, textile things and antique shops, boutiques. So it's a must visit in London if you are coming for London for a tourist and making things. So this is the market, and now we are heading towards the Camden Market. Camden is more of a
gothic and punk market that is famous in London. So I definitely know that you guys gonna like it, and I will put more clips of this Shoreditch market so you guys can enjoy the vibe and how we get over here. And to get over here, you can just on the city map or on any map in the Google Maps, you can just put the Shoreditch box market, and you will be amazed to see like there are more than 350 shops in the Shoreditch market, cool stuff, gothic things. So let's go head towards the Camden market. So जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ कि आप लोगों को कैसा लगा कैम्पटन मार्केट. इट्स फुल ऑफ गॉथिक एंड पंक वाइब्स एंड इट गिव्स यू कंप्लीट लंडन वाइब्स. सो जल्दी से कमेंट करो कि आप और ये सब बताओ कि ये क्या है आपको एक्साइट कर रहा है लंदन आने के लिए, एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू गाइस लाइक द मोस्ट एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स. एंड now it's getting dark. I don't know if we'll be able to cover up the Tower Bridge today or not, but if we'll go there I will definitely add in this vlog, but if not then I will end this vlog over here. So but stay tuned and let me know, do you guys really like this, do you guys like this vlog or not, because today we just roam around all over the market and places, shot everything for you guys. So just comment, share and like, subscribe also, and see you guys soon in another vlog. Gani Kamma.